This is a 6-pack of 10.5-inch embossed stoneware with reactive blue glaze finish. I was sent a review from Gsain, so let's take a closer look. So nicely protected in there. And there's this between each plate. Gosh, they really took care of the shipping. And look at how gorgeous that is. It's textured. The color is fading. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Oh, wow. If you plan to store these somewhere, or if you're gonna be moving or anything like that, definitely keep this. These are really handy. The product page says they are oven safe, microwave safe, and dishwasher safe. Oh, I love it. They're not too deep. They go really nicely in the dishwasher. Perfect fit. Each plate is 10.5 inches in diameter, just under 1 inch in depth. While they have the same generally uniform coloring and design, no two plates are the same, so it's a really gorgeous vintage looking set. They also come in an 8-inch size, so if you want to have both sizes, you can. They're perfect for breakfast, lunch, dinner, house parties, or even as chargers, honestly. Turn an ordinary night into a fun night. Woohoo! They're just so gorgeous. I really love these and know you will too.